Hey, hello! I'm Madison of the Golden Eagles RC Club in Kingman, Arizona, and today we have Nitro Marc with his Clancy Mini-Bee, a spin-off of a Clancy Lazy Bee. Listen to that sweet engine roar. That's an OS 26 four-stroke he's running there. All right! All you gotta do now is fly it. Stan's helping him out. I don't know why we have guys on the field.
Bring her back. Back here.
Come on, Jim. Get off the field. Mr. Casual. Oh, the engine quit? Oh, well, just gotta fire it up again. Come on, get her going, guys. All right, that engine sounds great. Maybe a smaller prop would let them get a higher RPM? It looks like Marc is happy with that engine.
Right here.
They are going to go to full throttle and then let her go. Whoa, baby! That was scary! That plane is super squirrely on the ground.
He's not a very good driver. Now that went to the right, huh? That went to the right.
Whoa! Again! Now, another scary moment.
Oh, okay.
Maybe one more time, you guys. Yo!
Now it's going the other way. Okay.
I probably should have cut that from the video. That looked dangerous. Punch it.
Punch it.
OMG, is this ever going to work? All right, it's up. Amazing. Look at that little baby
Come
go.
over here, Stan. Stan, come over here, please.
It looks as crazy in the air as it did on the ground.
Take it off. Whoa, whoa.
That roaring jet sound in the background is Jim Simo launching his AVF F86. Man, that model looks really tight. Tough to control.
Whoa.
Does it glide if you cut throttle?
Oh, yes. That's what I call it.
You like going to six?
Right now, I mean, I'm laying. Landing!
Yeah, bring her home, baby.
This just totally out of it. Bring her home, baby!
Whoa, whooping and swooping. I hope it doesn't swoop when it showed a whoop.
Well, there it is, Eric.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
We seen
Woo,
it.
what a
We
rush.
seen it.
Thank you, Marc. I will have more fun to share with you in our next video. You don't want to miss it. So please like and subscribe to the Kingman Golden Eagles RC Club channel. See you there.